Akainde Echilema, I know that you are watching. I know that Lungu is watching. It pains me that people that take my advice are the same people that I'm fighting. Anything I say, they put it in practice. Akainde Echilema, people from UPND. I was speaking to one person the other day who is a journalist who was talking to me saying, Papa, what do you think about Akainde Echilema? I said, Akainde Echilema is playing a politics that is supposed to be played in America, not in Africa. In African politics, it's not as clean as it's supposed to be. There must be something that will make people to vote for you. People will not vote for you because of grammar. People will not vote for you because of intelligence. People will not vote for you because of anything. People want something physical. They must hold hand to go and vote for you. They don't just wake up and start voting for people. They don't just wake up because Edgar Lungu has failed. Let us vote for Akainde Echilema. No. They want something that somebody on the street can understand. This is why Sata is the guru of politics. In the history of Zambia, there is no one that understood politics more than Sata. Look, in the urban area, the economy has already a campaign for Akainde Echilema. I don't think there is anybody with 5 senses that will go and vote for PF during election day because the economy has taught them a lesson. But on the street, those guys that do not understand urban, they need something they need to hear. For example, the people that voted for Sata in 2011, they voted because they said, we are voting because we want more money in our pocket, because Sata promised more money in their pocket. Even if he was not going to fulfill it, but there must be a promise that people will hold on. They will dance to as they go to vote for you. Sata promised them constitution. This thing is African politics. Whether you will do it or you will not do it, say it. People want something to hold to go and vote. Sata promised them to say, if I come, I'm going to chase all the Chinese. All these are the things that people were holding in their hand to go and vote for Sata. Akainde Echilema and your people, as you go to election this year, what are people going to hold in their hand to go and vote for you? I'm not talking about that Obobo manifesto that you have. No. I'm not talking about your good English, the way they persecuted you, what and what. No. What is that 1 or 2 things that people will hold in their hand? Like when people are going to vote, they will say, more money in our pocket. Something tangible that people will go and vote for. Hello? Not, I've been persecuted. The economy is bad. The economy is bad today. There are people who still don't understand the economy is bad. There must be something tangible. Give them a promise. Even if it's a promise saying, when I take over, everyone is going to get salary. Say it. Let people go and vote having that thing at hand. That is African politics. The people who are advising Akainde Echilema, I don't know where they are coming from. They don't understand that we are in Africa. They think that we are in America where they can vote for you on merit. Akainde Echilema is doing a clean politics. Akainde Echilema is doing a nice politics of clean hands. I love him for being a clean man. I love him for doing clean politics. But it does not work in Africa. Africa wants something. People on the street want something. Tell them that you are going to pay them salary. Everybody in Zambia will be receiving 10,000 per month. Whether you will do it or not do it, let them go and vote for it. When you are in power, you start working towards it. Rome was not built in a day. Sometimes